Oh, this smells good. Oh, this one smells good. Honey, they wasn't tripping with this one. Okay, smells good. Now let's see about the vanilla ambiance. That one smells good. They missed the mark on this one because the vanilla, you smell it, but it's like it's fainting. You get what I'm saying? Now let's try this one. Sparkling berry. Okay. So it's definitely between these two. And I want to say definitely more so this one than this. Honey. Girls. Let me tell you, Sugarfoot. This next item is gone. Honey, blow your drawers off if you have someone. Okay, listen, Dollar Tree ain't playing. Did you see this? Dollar Tree is now carrying, honey, if I'm lying, I am flying. I couldn't make this up. I said, what in the world? So this is the Wonder Wand. Yes. Now, you get up to 100 channels. Okay, this is good for indoor or outdoor. Now it does say on here up to 100 channels depending on the area that you live in. This is an antenna. You want to know how much they want for this? Honey, put some prices in the comment section. Guess how much Dollar Tree want for this? Yes, honey, $5. I am so shocked by this product. Did you guys see this? Dollar Tree is now carrying wallets. This is with the great gifts. These are $5. Really gorgeous. If you thought that wasn't enough, what about these wallets over here? These wallets are $3. Honey, they so gorgeous. They also have a little bracelet. Child, aren't they fancy? Honey, you want to stay tuned for this Dollar Tree haul. Dun, 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 dun. So Dollar Tree also have the banana ones as well. Oh, child. So I heard you wanted nothing but the new. Did you guys see these? These spiral hair ties. And guess what? They sent it. So this one is strawberry. They also have watermelon. And you get 6 of these for $1.25. Tell me that's not a steal deal. Because not only are you getting 6 of these, but you also going to be walking around smelling good because they are scented. Watermelon. When it comes to the hair accessories, Dollar Tree has been delivering hair headbands like these. Honey, hands down, delivering. Did you guys see this headband with the gold? Love this. They have so many different amazing pieces. Let's get into this. So they also have, now this is from Scrunchie or Hair Scrunchie. Honey, they have the polka dye, the white and black. They also have the black and white. These are $1.25. Now the Dollar Tree also have these Sophie hair clips over here as well, like these little clips. These are really, really cute. Cheetah print. Also have these are nice. These scrunchie sets, these are really, really cute. $1.25. Then they also have some more Sophie pieces. These are gorgeous. More Sophie. Look at these, the hair spirals. These are cute. Now, this next item, I am so excited to bring you guys this. Oh, So, have you guys seen the charms? Now, this is a new item that Dollar Tree started carrying. It is so gorgeous. They have something for everyone. Look at this. And this also makes a great Christmas gift, a great stocking stuffer. Check this out. Alright, so Dollar Tree has the charm bar that they just started carrying. Girl power, you're strong, rest in peace, the patriarch. They also have these over here, 90s baby. You can do Big things, I know that's right. Really, really nice. My fave is this one, You Are Enough, okay? They also have art. Is there a P to the art folks out there? Really, really cute. Now, these are the charms, but they also have the bracelets that you can choose from. So they have these bracelets. They also have these. Really, really cute. Love this. $1.25. Okay, could we talk about all Disney, all items at Dollar Tree, Disney theme? Check this out. Did you guys see these little cute juice boxes at Dollar Tree? Smurfs. They also Garfield, Chill Out. Keeping It Lean and Mean, Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, honey. They also have the SpongeBob. Oh, child, they are fancy. Alright, so they have Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, Garfield. They also have Paw Patrol, another Garfield pet bowl placement. They also have the Smurfs, SpongeBob. Look at this, looky cookie. Smurfs. Now, when it comes to the children, they also have these silicone ice pop makers. Smurfs, Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle, Garfield, and also SpongeBob. They also have these straws over here, straw toppers. Straw toppers with straws. Now, they have three different kinds, Minnie Mouse, Stitch, and also Winnie the Pooh. Hoo-hoo! So you guys are looking for makeup brushes. Don't worry, darlings, I got you. Dollar Tree has the angled makeup brush from Must Have Beauties. Now they have several. This one, the Highlight In Fan makeup brush. Oh yeah, child, they delivering. And that's right to the mother and the brother. They also have the Essential Powder brush, okay? And over here, you see this writing over here? This is pretty much letting you know what the brush is for, which I absolutely love it. So, to the makeup girlies that's just starting out doing makeup, honey, come on down to Dollar Tree. These brushes are $1.25. Honey, that ain't bad for you nor me. Now,
by the time you find out,
remember these, the makeup brushes, like the containers you can put like your makeup brushes in. On this next item, I want you guys to keep it real like Holyfield, okay? Let me know in the comment section if you guys have seen this. Did you see this? Cinnamon Toast, the Cinnamon Dust Seasoning. Make you a grilled cheese sandwich, and you know, you can just sprinkle a little bit of this on that grilled cheese sandwich. You looking for some sweet cinnamon heat that's gonna put a kick in your treat? Honey, Dollar Tree has the Fireball one. Now, I don't know about the Fireball one. This is $1.25. I like these little mini cinnamon, you know, little things. Honey, keeping in the cinnamon, the seasoning in your back pocket. So this is like, honey, a new line from the Spa Luxury. So look at this. These are body washes. You know, they kind of loose in my opinion. This is the Rose Champagne, the Vanilla Ambiance, the Sparkling Berry. Now, when it comes to the bottle, it's giving fancy. It's giving a little luxury, just a tad. And these are $1.25. Let's see how they smell. Oh, this smells good. Oh, this one smells good. Honey, they wasn't tripping with this one. Okay, smells good. Now, let's see about the Vanilla Ambiance. That one smells good. You know, they missed the mark on this one. Because the vanilla, you smell it, but it's like, it's fainting. Try this one. Sparkling Berry. Okay. So, it's definitely between these two. And I want to say definitely more so this one than this. Honey. Girls. Listen, did you guys see these? Honey, don't this give you Bath and Body Works, okay, dupe? Now, when it comes to this is the pink scent, sugared pink scent. They also have the Vanilla Rose. Now, out of those two, When you come to Dollar Tree, honey, be on the lookout for this one. This one smells divine. Now, the other one, the vanilla rose, the scent is sort of disappear after a while. I just got that, just from sniffing it. It's like a fainted scent. Now, Dollar Tree has these new items. Check this out. Hey, my loves. So, if you guys are looking for storage bins, Dollar Tree definitely has some new storage bins out, okay? So, these are the new 12-quart narrow clear bins. Yes. And honey, when I tell you they are cheaper than a container store, really, really amazing. Now, these, I believe, are $4. Great price point. And if you guys are looking for other storage containers, Dollar Tree has these. I absolutely love these. These are really, really good. They have green, gray. They also have the brown as well. And when you guys come and get your storage bins, storage boxes, make sure you don't forget the lids. Alright, so Dollar Tree has the plastic picks. These are $2, these items. The gold plastic serving set, $2. Really, really gorgeous. The plastic spoons, $2. Honey, try to tell me this ain't fancy. And if you gorgeous folks are looking for ice buckets, Dollar Tree definitely has them with the beads on them, honey. They also have like these golds over here. These are $2 as well. And look at the gorgeous trays, honey. It is these little balls on here for me. And then they also have the bowls as well. Really, really cute. And also the gold trays. These are $2. The oval ones as well. Really, really nice. And then if you guys are also looking for gold bowls, Dollar Tree has them as well. If you guys are looking for plushies for the little ones, Dollar Tree is definitely in a place to be. This would make a great stocking stuffer for the little ones. Honey, these are $5. Look at the octopus multicolored. They also have the pig up here at the top. They also have these teddies over here. Really, really cute. Now, if you guys are looking for some gorgeous gift boxes, Dollar Tree also have them as well. These are so gorgeous. They come in different colors. They have the rose gold. They also have these as well. Fancy. They also have the silver gift box. Really cute. Now when it comes to the gift boxes, they come in different sizes, all right? So you may see a larger gift box, and they may have the smaller ones inside the large gift box, but you pay for them individually. So although they come all in there, okay, you pay for them individually. Let me know what was your favorite item in there. Mine's definitely was that antenna. Like, although I like the HBO shows and stuff like that, that antenna, to me, $5, that was a steal deal, like, holy feel. And then those stuffies, the body washes that they have new, the Spa Luxury body wash that they have, those makeup brushes definitely was a steal deal, like, holy feel. Make sure you guys are checking out your nearest Dollar Tree. And like I say in mainly all my videos, if you don't see some of the items that I had showed in a video, a lot of times you have to probably go to a different Dollar Tree. I go to many different Dollar Trees. I absolutely love what I do. Until next time, make sure you guys comment, hype, subscribe, and don't drop the dime. I love you guys. Keep rocking out. Peace.